Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to share iCloud storage with your family. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to share your iCloud storage with your family, you need to set up family sharing and then enable iCloud Plus sharing within that group. So family sharing allows you up to 6 members to share your iCloud Plus storage and other subscriptions like Apple Music and Apple TV Plus. Simply set up your family sharing and now ensure you have iCloud Plus subscription or upgrade to one if needed. After this, on your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, go to Family, and in your subscriptions, find the iCloud Plus option. Now hit on the Share with Family and follow the on-screen instructions. Once shared, you can now manage how the storage is allocated among family members within the iCloud storage settings. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching. We will be back again really soon.